Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to add videos to your Instagram story. So let's start. First open the Instagram app. Now tap on your profile picture on top left corner to add a story. Now open your gallery from bottom left corner. Now select the video you want to add to your story. And depending on the duration of the video it will get divided. Here you can add a text. I'll just add a simple text. You can also add a sticker. Resize it as you like. Now tap next on bottom right corner and tap on share to share your story. Now to add a video post to your story, here you will see a video post on my feed. Now tap on the arrow icon and tap add post to your story. Now tap on send to on bottom right corner and tap share. And that's how you can add videos to your story. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.